I'm going to show you a little bit about how my virtual classroom works. First, I'm going to click Present up in the right to make this full screen. All right, here we go. Now, this is the home page. First, right here, you can, there's my Zoom link. This will go to my schedule. Up at the top of the schedule, there is a place where you can go back to the home, to your school's page. Now here, there you would have some announcements sometimes on the whiteboard where it says "Welcome back." You can switch between schools on the left from General Mitchell to Walker and back and forth if you click the wrong one. And then on this board, you're going to find all the different classes. Now let's click on one of them. Let's click on Excellence here. Now this is going to go to Excellence. There'd be announcements for the specific classes right here. Right here is another link to my schedule, and that's going to be on all the pages. There's a link to my Zoom meetings and a link to Artsonia. We'll talk about Artsonia in a little while. Now here on the Mitchell page, let's click on K4, K5. And right here it would have announcements, and it'll also have the project. I'm going to click there. It's going to take you to a project. Now every time I have a project, there is going to be a list of materials you need right at the top. It's going to be the very first thing, and a video introduction that's just going to show me introducing the lesson that I'm going to show for that week. Now on the right or the left, usually towards the bottom, you can move on to the next part, and you'll come to a page that has step-by-step directions to your projects. It'll also have links to any video demonstrations that you want to see that you're going to need to do your projects. And that'll bring you to the demonstrations about the projects for the week. They'll most likely be me drawing something or painting something and talking about that step of the project. Now at the bottom of each project steps, there's going to be something that says I'm done, and you've probably seen it on other pages. And if you click on the I'm done part, that's going to take you to this page. And this has a lot of other activities you can do. You can choose anything you want. You could also make up your own. There's an explanation of how to use this area right here in this video in the middle. And if you click on one of these areas, it's going to take you to an old lesson plan that I have. I've got a bunch of them, and you can choose from these, and that's an option for early finishers, because that does happen sometimes. Now you may have seen this Artsonia button on some of the pages, and if you press this, it'll take you to information about that. This is Walker's page. There's also one for Mitchell. This will have information on how to upload stuff to Artsonia and how to get to the gallery. All projects will be turned in through Artsonia during distance learning. If you see a Facebook icon, that means your school has a Facebook page for art. And if you click on that, that will bring you to that. It'll bring you here. Anyway, look around, have fun with it. And if you need anything from me or confused by anything or something's not working, please let me know. And I hope everybody has a great year.